Mercedes C200 Review: Luxury, comfort, and performance combined. The Mercedes Benz C200 is one of the most popular models in the C-Class lineup, and for good reason. It represents the perfect balance between luxury, performance, and practicality. Today, we'll take a closer look at the design, features, performance, and overall experience of driving the C200. Whether you're considering buying one or you just love Mercedes cars, this video will give you everything you need to know. Let's start with the design. The Mercedes C200 carries the iconic styling that the brand is known for. Sleek lines, a sporty yet elegant profile, and a bold front grille with the Mercedes Benz star right at the center. The LED headlights add a futuristic touch, while the aerodynamic body ensures both style and efficiency. From every angle, the C200 looks premium, making it stand out on the road without being too flashy. Moving to the interior, the C200 truly shines. As soon as you step inside, you are welcomed with high-quality materials, a refined layout, and cutting-edge technology. The leather seats provide excellent comfort for both driver and passengers, while the cabin is designed to reduce noise, giving you a calm and relaxing driving experience. The digital instrument cluster, paired with a high-resolution infotainment display, keeps everything modern and user-friendly. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available, and the intuitive MBUX system allows you to control functions with simple voice commands. Now let's talk about performance. The Mercedes C200 is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with mild hybrid technology. Don't let the engine size fool you. It delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and enough power for both city driving and long highway trips. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear changes, while the suspension is tuned to provide both comfort and agility. You'll feel the luxury of a smooth ride, but also the thrill of sporty driving when you want it.